Hey everyone, Eric from Rockford. I'm going to give you 5 amazing reasons to take a look at the overhead audio system for the 2018 Polaris Ranger models. So let's take a look. Reason number 1, the loudest audio kit on the market. That's right, we think it's the loudest. Available in two-door with 6 8-inch speakers, including dual 10-inch subwoofers. Four-door models add 4 more 8-inch speakers for rear passengers, all powered by an integral 1500-watt amplifier and an additional 800-watt rear audio option. Look at it, it's loud. Reason number 2, dual subwoofers. 2 marine grade subwoofers for the ultimate in durability and a high output vented enclosure, so reproducing hard hitting bass isn't a problem. And these feature low wind noise vents, so you hear all the bass, none of the noise. Reason number 3, expandable third subwoofer. Increase your bass output even further with an underseat third subwoofer option. This will allow you to maximize your hard hitting bass impact. Reason number 4, add-on rear cap. Two-door and four-door models can be upgraded even further with the rear cap with 4 horn-loaded 8-inch drivers. Great for bass camp when everyone wants to gather around and enjoy the music. Reason number 5, elevated position for deep mudding. The overhead audio configuration keeps water away from the electronics, and the roof is element ready protected to withstand against UV rays. It also has built-in overhead lighting, so you can see what's going on and you're not left in the dark. And there you have it, 5 very loud reasons why you should consider the overhead audio roof for your Polaris 2018 and newer Ranger. For more information, contact Rockford Fosgate at rockfordfosgate.com.